Hi, my name is Rahul Sidhu. I'm the founder of Daily GK and Current Affairs. And today we would be taking a look at banking awareness, also include financial awareness question for IBPS, PO, Clerk, SBI, and other main banking exams. And once again, we would be using tricks so you'd remember them for a long time. And I would also be creating a playlist, and there would be 10 such videos uh, where we would be covering more than 100 questions of banking awareness. So let's get started. Name the bank which has been asked by RBI to stop its new digital business launches because it was causing a lot of inconvenience to the customers. So the tip is the answer is H. I think you can guess it. It is HDFC. And if you ask for the trick, so stop also means halt. And H, we also have same H in HDFC, so you can say halt HDFC. Or if you want in Hindi, so we can say that had kar di. So H also has HDFC, so you can say had kar di HDFC ne. Next question. A recent book, Future of Regional Cooperation in Asia and the Pacific, has been released by. So the tip is it's one of the leading bank in Asia Pacific, and it has A as its first letter. I think now you can guess it. It is Asian Development Bank. And as for trick, I have two tricks. The first is if I say ADB, and I'm going to rhyme it with APB, where PB stand for Pacific and the book. Also, that is trick number two. There is a lot of tension in Asia Pacific region because of India and China war-like situation, and which makes future uncertain. So I'm going to say only a regional player, regional bank like ADB would be worried about Asia Pacific. So that's my trick number two. And if you like the way I create these techniques which help you to remember for long, then please subscribe because it really motivates me. And again, try to subscribe. It's a request. Try to subscribe in next 5 seconds. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please subscribe and do like and share. Thank you. Next question. Which bank has launched a Krishi overdraft scheme for farmers? So the tip is that bank name starts with a state's name, and it's a very famous bank in South. I think you can guess it now. It is Karnataka Vikas Grameen Bank. And as for the trick, I'm going to say it O, K, and I have one more K. First is overdraft, and K is for over Krishi Karnataka. And also, Krishi is rural, and only in Karnataka Grameen Bank we have a rural term that is Grameen. So that's my trick number two. And in the description below, there is a PDF link along with these short tricks. So let's move to next question. Next question is Finance Ministry had just released 6 installment to states to meet GST compensation. What is the amount of this compensation package? That is the 6th installment. So tip is we start with 6, and the answer is we have 6,000 crore. And if you're asking for the trick, then I'm going to say triple S. Right? If you see 6,000 would start with S, and we have one more S from the GST. So all these S make it triple S. Hope it helps. Next question. How much fund has been earmarked means how much fund has been allocated for Atmanirbhar Bharat Rozgar Yojana. The tip is it's a little tough. So I'm just going to dash 8, and then we have 2 more dash. The correct answer is rupee 2810 crore. There is 20,810 crore. And if you ask for the trick, so we are in current times, we need an employment, and the current time that is 2020. So we'll just say 20. And if you see Atma, if you rhyme it with Hindi word 8, that it has art, that is art. And then we say, then I'm going to use some Hindi. I'm going to say pura mat do, half de do. Means I'm going to do the half of 20. So if you club all these together, so it's come 2810. Hope it helps. RTGS has become available 24/7 from which date? So the answer is it's only in the month of December. But what is the right answer? So right answer is it's December 14 to 2020, I mean. And if you ask for the trick, so timing has been doubled, right? So if you see the double of 7 is 14, right? And I'm just to take D of double and 14 as it is. So I'm going to say D14, which means December 14th. And you also need to know RTGS full form, which is real time gross settlement. And also important is minimum and maximum limit of RTGS, which is 2 lakh and 10 lakh respectively. Which facility has been offered by Asian Development Bank to its member country so they can buy COVID vaccine? So name of the facility has third word as we, and I think some of you might be able to guess it. The answer is, here comes the answer, it's APVEX, right? And if you ask me for the trick, so nowadays this is the new strain of virus, is like a third wave. And if you see the third word of COVID and APVEX are same. So I'm going to link these third word with the third wave. So it's going to give me the answer. That is COVID means APVEX. Next question. Which of these has recently launched a payment option, that is a digital platform app? We call it Dark Pay. So the tip is Hindi and English of this answer is same. And I think you can guess is Dark. We normally relate Dark with Indian Post. That is Department of Post. And this is going to be the trick also. Hindi and English both are same. Which of these has launched agriculture spot market platform, and they call it Beam? So the tip is it has been launched by one of the most important stock market of India. And whenever we talk about stock market, the first thing which comes to mind is Bombay Stock Exchange. And the trick is I'm going to say spot ka stock. So that will be my tip. Next question. That is also the last of this series. Which of these has launched FX for You, a new technology product, internet banking, which uh, enables forex or overseas transaction? So the tip is the bank name start with C, and it's a public sector bank. I think you can guess it. It's Canara Bank. And as for the trick, if you see overseas also means Kinara, and Kinara rhymes with Canara, that is Kanara. So I'm going to say it. Kinara par kare Canara. Hope it helps. And if you like, then please subscribe. Thanks for your time.